Hey everybody, Dave Williamson, the Toy Car Collector here at ToyCarCollector.com. Now my channel is all about collecting toys, especially Matchbox, Hot Wheels, Johnny Lightnings, and all kinds of fun toys, but I'm a hobbyist and I like to do a lot of fun things. And I love to fly drones, and one of the drones that I have is called a DJI Spark. The DJI Spark is a fantastic drone. Let me show it to you right now. Right at this very moment, I'm carrying it in this old skill saw bag. I've got my pad in there, and then I've got my little Sparky drone, and my little Sparky drone is now in this beautiful, beautiful battery charging station, and there's the remote control right there. I put it in this bag. But, you know, the greatest thing about having drones or collecting drones is all the exciting accessories that you can get. This particular accessory is the charging station. The charging station, you open it up, and the little drone goes right in there with his battery upside down, and then two more batteries. This actually has a battery in it, and you can charge the battery for the Spark in this unit. So there's a battery in there, two batteries here, and a battery here. All of those can be charged up in this unit, or this unit can actually charge on the go your batteries. Now what will really make this great is to have a carry case to put the whole thing in, and not the case that I have it in now. So let's move this off to the side and let's bring on the FedEx box. Let's see, can you see it up there? There it is. Let's open this box. How are we going to open this box? Well, let's see. You know, I don't have a knife with me, so what we'll do is we'll just push in on the box side. No, we won't. Oh, wait a minute. Here, let's do this side. Push in on the tape and pull it off. Nice little 12 by 12 box right there. And we open it up, and I absolutely love getting stuff in the mail. I know you do too. All collectors do. Let's see what we got. We've got a control stick protector. Very nice. That's a PGY. And in this box, what is this? Spark storage box carry bag. What? That doesn't make any sense. It's a small box. And there's a bigger box. Portable charging station carry bag. Okay, that makes sense. All right. And a receipt, and oh, look at this. I bought myself a package of screws for the Phantom 3 in case I ever want to take it apart and put it back together again. I hope I don't have to do that. Okay, here we got the pork. I can't say Spark. It's the Spark carry bag. And I got to get a knife. I really got to get a knife. I really do. Okay, let's get this box opened up and see what is inside the carry bag. Now, I don't know what the heck this is. This is a Spark Part 20 storage box carry bag. I don't know what that is. Storage box carry bag. I know I ordered some stuff. Ordered this case. Ordered that and that and that. And here we've got the beautiful new case. I can't believe I didn't get this already. So beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it's got a lovely finish on it. Let's check the camera up above. How's it working up there? You working good? Yeah, working good. Okay. This is my first time doing an overhead shot, and this is complicated. Complicated stuff. All right. Here it is. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at that. Let's put this right in there. Oh my goodness. This way? No, no, not that way. This way? I think so. Let's see, how does this fit? How does it fit? Maybe this way? Maybe this way? I think it's tight. I think it's a tight fit, maybe. It's not just falling in there. Okay, I think I got it. I think I got it there. And the remote control is going to go right here. Look at that, all ready to travel. All ready to travel. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is a nice package right there. Two zippers on the side, little thing. The only thing would be better is if it had a shoulder strap. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, this is so exciting. I love opening boxes, don't you? I love it. Oh, I know. This is the carry bag for the original Spark case that comes free with the Spark. So you get a case, kind of a styrofoam box with the Spark, and this is just a little bag. So I figured while I was going ahead and ordering stuff, might as well get one of these to go with it too, in case I ever want to use it. You know, it's all about collecting. It's all about getting stuff for your favorite toys. Favorite toys, DJI, there it is, right there, beautiful. And let's see what else we got. We got the control stick protectors. Let's see if that will work in conjunction with the carry case. Now, one of the things that always bugs me is that sometimes you order things and they just don't work with the other thing you ordered. You ordered two things thinking that it was ordered. For instance, my wife ordered me this She ordered me the Spark battery charging station for Christmas, and she ordered a backpack that said it was for the Spark. It was actually not, didn't say necessarily it was for the Spark, but it was with the Spark accessories on the DJI website, and it turns out, nah, it doesn't fit. But it does work nice for the DJI goggles. So let's get this baby open to see what we got here. It's supposed to be a little plastic protector to protect the handles of the remote control so that you don't bang them and break them. There it is. And it goes on here like that. Just like that. You see it? It's beautiful. Look at that. And then you put the whole thing right here in the case. Let's see if it goes together with the case. I think it does. What do you think? You think it works? I think we'll put the antennas down. Yep, I think put the antennas down like that. Let's see. Looks like it's going to fit. I don't know if it's blocking. Is it blocking at all? Maybe a little. Just a little. And there we are. We're zipped up. And we are all ready to go. The Spark is in place. Now the only bad thing I can say about this case, let's see, I got the sticker thing stuck in there. The only bad thing I can say about this case is you're going to have to be careful. You don't want to get scratched up. But, you know, it is a protective case, and you're supposed to use it to keep your items inside from getting messed up. Let's check the focus. How we doing? We're doing pretty good. All right, it's my first overhead camera shot, and I am not a video production engineer at all. But I got the DJI case, I got the Spark case for the original box, got the remote control, and that was a great day of stuff from DJI. Thank you, DJI. Love the Spark. Get out there and fly it. You need one if you don't have one, and they're on sale now. You know, they're just getting cheaper every day. So you're going to have to get yourself a drone and enjoy this footage from my Spark drone right now.